Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This morning I'm gonna do a general section for you. Every action you take has to do with mathematics, folks, and everything you can see, you can touch, has to do with mathematics. Look at that fan. Can you see this here 360 degrees? All right, you learned that in arithmetic. Look at the printer. Can you see this little screen? That's a rectangle, folks. Rectangle. Okay, you learned that. Look at the body of the printer, rectangle. Everything. Look at the desk. Rectangle, rectangle. Everything you do. Look at the piece of paper, rectangular shape. All right, folks? Everything has to do with mathematics. Look at this little square thing, right? That's a little square. You can find the area of a square. All right, folks? Everything. Look at the floor. Can you see? This is like a square. 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 Everything has to do with mathematics, folks. Everything. Look at the sign in there. Can you see the 360 degrees? And that piece is pretty much a square. You can find the perimeter, the area, also the rectangle. Everything, folks. Look at the picture in the wall. Can you see that's a rectangular shape? So all those things are made in a factory. The person who designed those things need to know basic arithmetic. That's why every kid is learning those things in school, right? Because later on in life you get to use them. All right, folks? That's it, folks.